For me, Squarespace offers some of the most attractive templates of any website builder. They're clean, modern, and feature bold imagery and stylish photography. But with nearly 200 templates to choose from, picking the right one can be difficult. So in this video, I'll guide you through the best Squarespace templates for lots of different sectors, including e-commerce, non-profit work, photography, music, art, and more. That said, all of the templates I'm going to highlight can be adapted for use in any sector. So if you like a particular design that I'm featuring, don't forget that you can edit it easily to suit your needs. But if you'd prefer just to watch the section of this video that deals with your specific industry, you can use the chapter links I've put in the video description to do this. Okay, let's dive in. I'll start with the best Squarespace templates for non-profits. Non-profit websites need to do two things well: tell a clear story about their mission and make it easy for visitors to take action. That usually means making use of strong imagery, simple navigation, and donation or sign-up features that are hard to miss. Squarespace offers several templates that tick these boxes, but Malone and Clarkson are arguably the most effective here. Malone is simple and mission-focused. Donation buttons are built in, forms are ready to go, and typography is clean and modern. It's a great template choice if your organization focuses on one singular campaign goal. Clarkson, on the other hand, is more dramatic. It's designed around storytelling, with a bold hero image and a scroll-based narrative that encourages visitors to understand your organization's backstory before donating or signing up. You'll find links to both these non-profit templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for artists. Artists typically need websites that let their work do the talking, making clean layouts, large visuals, and simple navigation essential. Two Squarespace templates meet these needs really well: Kester and Novo. Kester is defined by its simplicity, clean spacing, and modern typography. Project pages use full-width images, allowing artwork to be displayed at scale without clutter. The template also comes with a pre-built shop, making it particularly attractive for artists who want to sell originals, prints, or even expand into print-on-demand products without heavy customization. The Novo template takes a bolder approach to showcasing items, making use of an entirely image-driven homepage which, site logo and navigation aside, displays no headings or visible text. Project cards dominate the screen, and a neat hover effect reveals text when visitors explore work. Novo's emphasis on wide, edge-to-edge imagery makes it especially well suited to visual creatives whose work relies on strong impact: illustrators, digital artists, or anyone who wants their homepage to feel like a curated exhibition wall. You'll find links to both these artist templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for photographers. A good photography website should showcase images in an attractive way, while still leaving room for text and communication. Two Squarespace templates, Gildan and Balboa, do this especially well. Gildan uses an asymmetric, overlapping layout, one that breaks away from rigid grid patterns while keeping your portfolio clean and accessible. Gildan also weaves in short project titles and captions, giving your work context and a polished editorial feel. And Gildan's pre-configured course page makes it ideal for photographers who want to make use of Squarespace's built-in course-selling features to expand into education. The Balboa template takes a more structured approach to portfolios. You can arrange its homepage to display multiple images from individual projects. The grid is spacious and minimal, keeping attention on the images while offering just enough text placement to describe or title each project. The balance between structure and openness makes for a calm, gallery-like browsing experience. You'll find links to both these photography templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for blogging. Fillmore and Rivoli are two of the strongest out-of-the-box choices for blogging applications. Fillmore is a clean, no-fuss blogging template. Its two-row feed lets readers browse posts quickly, making it ideal for bloggers who want to build up a large post archive. Simple typography and balanced spacing keep articles easy to read while images display neatly. Rivoli is designed for blog content that's more visual and thematic in nature, making it a natural choice for food, travel, or lifestyle bloggers. Its homepage highlights posts by category, and it also includes a built-in space for a short About the Blogger section. The template balances imagery and text well, with featured photos leading into excerpts that encourage readers to click through. Fonts are clean and contemporary and help create a stylish, editorial feel. You'll find links to both these blogging templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for musicians. Music websites typically have a few jobs to do: showcase audio, promote events or tours, and sell merchandise. While any Squarespace template can be used for all these tasks, I usually recommend using the Van Damme and Katui templates for music sites. Van Damme delivers a high-impact, full-screen hero image and a sleek, transparent header that immediately commands attention. It features a built-in SoundCloud integration and artist-focused elements like tour date sections, merch shop pages, and a blog that doubles as a press release section. Katui brings a clean but moody twist to proceedings. Thanks to its dark tone aesthetic and a smart header that hides on scroll, it features clearly accessible social links, tour date widgets, ticket purchase prompts, and a shop-ready structure for selling merch. You'll find links to both these music templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for restaurants. Squarespace makes it particularly easy to build a restaurant website that looks polished and functions seamlessly. Menu blocks, along with integrations with Tock and ChowNow for reservations and ordering, help you get a professional food and drink site running quickly. And among Squarespace's ready-to-go restaurant templates, Auburn and Juniper are two of the most effective available. Auburn immediately sets the scene with a full-screen hero image that's perfect for showing off signature dishes or the atmosphere of your space. Images are displayed at generous sizes with smooth scrolling, and the absence of clutter ensures the essentials, menus, opening hours and location are always easy to find. It also gives you a blog-style section that can double as a news or events hub. Auburn works particularly well for upscale venues or those that want a site that feels as refined as their dining experience. Moving on to the Juniper template, this provides a pared-back approach, offering a clean, minimalist design that gets straight to the point. Its homepage is stripped back to the essentials, with links to eat, drink, and visit pages presented in an elegant, uncluttered style. Menus are displayed clearly, making it an excellent choice for restaurants or cafes where transparency and simplicity are key. You'll find links to both these restaurant templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for therapists. Therapists and counsellors need a website that conveys professionalism, calm, and clarity while offering practical features like scheduling and service details. The Meriden and Clove templates work well for this. Meriden offers a polished, inviting design tailored to professionals offering services, especially therapists, coaches, or counsellors. Its muted colour palette and clean layout immediately convey professionalism and warmth. The template lets you easily incorporate course pages, podcast sections, testimonial content, and newsletter sign-up forms, and uses the Squarespace scheduling integration for appointment booking. Clove is purpose-built for counselling practices, with a soft, clean layout that instantly feels thoughtful and tailored to those working in therapy. It includes sections for services, along with a pricing page, team introductions, and an automated booking form. The template's calming visual style and intuitive structure help clients navigate comfortably and confidently. You'll find links to both these therapy templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for e-commerce. Squarespace's e-commerce features are impressively versatile. You can use it to sell physical and digital products, courses, memberships, and subscriptions, and the platform handles inventory management, abandoned cart recovery, and checkout well. But to get the most out of this e-commerce functionality, it's best to use Squarespace templates that are purpose-built for e-commerce, and two stand out for me: Alameda and Crosby. Alameda is built around simplicity, with a bright, airy design that lets products breathe. It leans heavily on clean grid layouts, generous white space, and balanced margins. These give shops a serene, gallery-like feel. In particular, this template is especially effective for fashion, lifestyle, or boutique brands where product photography needs to be the focus. By default, Alameda uses a modern sans serif for headings and a light open sans serif for body copy, creating a contemporary but neutral look. The typography is deliberately understated, keeping focus firmly on product imagery. Crosby delivers a sharp, modern look that balances elegance with functionality. The The template uses a minimalist grid layout where product imagery takes center stage, framed by generous negative space. Its design defaults to a dark forward aesthetic, but it adapts well to lighter palettes too. Typography is central to Crosby's style. It uses Orpheus Pro font for headings, a contemporary serif with strong character, and Garamond Pro for body copy. This pairing brings an elevated, almost boutique magazine vibe to product descriptions and brand storytelling. You'll find links to both these e-commerce templates in the video description. Best Squarespace templates for weddings. Wedding websites need to tell a compelling story, handle RSVPs and registry links well, and provide clear information relating to times, dates, and locations. Squarespace does all this effectively, which explains why it's one of the most popular platforms for building wedding websites. But of the templates available specifically for wedding websites, my favorites are Ray and Soraya. Squarespace's Ray template is designed as a single-page experience, guiding guests through your story and gallery to event timelines, registry links, and RSVP. A neat touch is the floating RSVP button that remains present as visitors scroll, ensuring interaction with your site is always easy. Ray works well as a wedding template because it strikes a nice balance between intimate storytelling and interactivity, but without overwhelming visitors. Soraya opens with a full-screen image and a minimalist design, immediately creating an emotional connection with the user. It includes RSVP tools, curated registry links, and a heartfelt Our Story page. Soraya is a good choice for couples who want to lead with visuals and narrative while keeping guest information accessible. You'll find links to both these wedding templates in the video description. Wrapping up. I hope you found my guide to the best Squarespace templates helpful. You'll find links to all the templates I've mentioned in the video description, along with a link to a Squarespace free trial and a discount code for the platform. You can learn more about Squarespace on the Style Factory website. I've put a link to our Squarespace resource hub in the video description too. Before you go, it'd be great if you could like this video and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. And finally, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.